Hi everyone, I'm Jess, a senior solution consultant here at Medallia, and we're going to look at how AI can totally streamline your approach to improving digital experiences. Now, as digital experts, you know that making sense of experience data is, well, overwhelming. You've got thousands of data, dozens of dashboards, a ton of sessions, and a million places where something could go wrong. And even when you find an issue, figuring out why is this happening and what to do about it takes a lot of time. But what if you could cut through all the noise and spotlight what matters most? Fortunately for you and your to-do list, that's exactly what AI is here for, to make you more efficient. So we're going to take a look at how you can find critical issues impacting your digital experience score, along with what to do about them, and how you can get these really rich insights into user experience and user behavior in just a matter of seconds. So get ready, because these AI features are going to be a game changer for your digital experience and your time. To start off, I'm logging in as Jack, a digital CX analyst. He spends a lot of time in Medallia Experience Cloud looking at trends and finding issues, and today he's trying to see which pages across the site are causing the most revenue loss. The first one on the list is an instant standout. Jack sees that the checkout page is having a huge impact on revenue. Now, as a place where customers should be converting, this is a big problem. Time for Jack to dig into the issue and build a case for the R&D team. In this deep dive, Medallia shows Jack a few common behaviors that are happening on this checkout page. There's a rapid scroll, a lot of birds nesting, and then an unresponsive click, which is definitely not a good look for a checkout page. It's time for Jack to figure out what's going on with this page, which is a perfect job for Medallia's Digital Experience Analytics. Digital Experience Analytics, or DXA as we like to call it, is a comprehensive behavior analytics platform. It tracks and measures everything digitally to help people like Jack understand the why behind the trends that are showing up in your web analytics platforms or CX insights. The DXA dashboard shows Jack the key ingredients that make up the site's digital experience score. There's 5 pillars: frustration, engagement, navigation, technical, and form experience. These 5 pillars come together into holistic, AI-powered digital experience score. Looking through these 5 experience metrics, Jack notices some frustration events that are on the rise, so this seems like a good place to start. As he clicks into the score, he can see those same events from earlier, and those unresponsive clicks seem especially high. Now, in a world without AI, Jack would have to go dig through all of these sessions to figure out what's going on, and that's a lot of time to be spent and sunk into replays. At first glance, we can already see that these unresponsive clicks are happening almost 12,000 times in this given period. That's a big deal that Jack needs to dig into. But now, Jack goes back to the dashboard to check what AI has found in Prescriptive Digital Experience Analytics. And what do you know? Toward the top of the list, which means it's rising in its impact, is unresponsive clicks. By now, Jack has already figured out that these click errors are causing a problem. But the beauty of prescriptive analytics is that it's prescriptive. So this gives Jack recommendations on precisely where the elements on the page are at fault and how those interactions are impacting the user experience at scale. So thanks to these prescriptive insights and analytics, Jack has some ideas now for how he can fix this page. But he needs some more first-hand information, so he's going to look at some sessions flagged with unresponsive clicks to really put himself in the user's shoes. If you've been in Jack's shoes, you're feeling the dread of having to watch through hours of session replays to understand what your customers are doing, and it's not fun. I mean, it's a great time killer, but there is no way that you can spend that time when you need to be achieving results. So instead of watching all these sessions, Jack's going to lean on the session summarization feature to quickly show him what happened and when. Jack can go right to the list of events and find click errors specifically and look at when they're happening. In this case, it looks like it's happening multiple times, and it's actually resulted in an exit, which is not ideal for a checkout page. Now, this events list is great for Jack to see what's going on step by step and fast, but when he needs to socialize this issue, session summarization can help him build a bigger case. The way that he would do this is Jack goes to the summary, and with a quick copy-paste, he can use this description to let other teams know what's happening. And when he needs to go make that case to developers, they need to be able to prioritize its impact. Here, he can go up to similar sessions to see how often these events are happening, and he can share those out in just a few minutes. Fixing problems on crucial pages can be a game changer for your revenue and brand experience. And with AI, it's never been easier or faster to point out these rising issues with the right ideas to solve them. And fast-tracking fixes is exactly what customers are loving about these features here at Medallia. One customer mentioned how helpful it's been in prioritizing, something that's so crucial when there's always problems to solve in the digital space. Another customer shared how much easier it is to get through session replays, which is a huge time saver. It's so great hearing how AI is helping people move fast to fix real problems. All right, that wraps us up. Thank you so much for joining me to learn about our AI-powered Prescriptive Digital Experience Analytics and Session Summarization today. It's been a blast. I will see you next time.